morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be planning in my Skinny Classic. It's wearing one of our snap covers. And this planner is from the new line, so it doesn't start until July. So I printed myself some blank pages and I printed off some stickers. Now I've just been playing around with stickers. You know, it's part of being creative and crafty, and you know, you just kind of want to have some fun and do something creative sometimes. And I have been using up so much of my good sticker paper. So I went on Amazon to try and see if there was cheaper sticker paper, just basically for my benefit, because so far I haven't sold any. And I came across label paper, and the label paper that I got is split in two. So it's like half sheet stickers, I guess it's called, or half sheet label paper. It's a regular 8.5 sheet of paper, but the sticker part's split in half. So I got that thinking, oh, $10 for 100 sheets, cool. You know what? That'll be a great economical way to play around with making stickers. Well, then trying to get the stickers to print sideways instead of up and down so it would fit better on the paper. It's just been a royal pain in the you know what. It's taken me like 3 hours to make 2 sheets of stickers. So this is my test sheets. This black line around here is just a bleed, and that's why it's so thick. And I could have made that bleed or the outline in white, and then you wouldn't have seen it at all. But you know, live and learn. But see, once you take the sticker off, it's just a slight black around there. But I don't know. Today just has been one of those days. But anyway, let's try and decorate and see what happens. I had this idea that I drew out in my head that I would take the word spring and put it down the center and then put these flowers behind it. So, I guess let's try and see what we can come up with. So I'm probably going to have to stick these flowers first if I want the word spring on top. So I'm thinking we're just going to start putting them down here. And I have, how many of these? 5 of these? They're supposed to only have 4, but I've got 5. Should have made them a little bit bigger, I think. So we'll just kind of space these out down here. I'm going to punch this after I'm done because it just works better that way. And this label paper that I bought off Amazon, so paper thin. It's almost like tissue paper. But again, it's just for me and it's just for playing around, so it's okay. Doesn't matter. I even used the back of the page to write myself some notes. So I can remember to save the back of this. All right. I think I have my scissors in here too. Yep. So that will help. Oop. But maybe we will wait and just use that to hold the page. I think I did that once before and it worked kind of nice. So I'm going to try and stick the word spring. I have to be very careful because, like I said, this is thin. Taking these letters off here. I could use a tweezers maybe. Am I going to just put it straight down or kind of like crazy? Guess we can try. Wonder if it's going to fit. If I put it like this, it's totally going to cover up that flower, which wasn't my intent. When I put them here, I should have moved them over more. Let's see if we can even move this paper. That is a very good question. I don't even know if this will come back up, being the quality it is. Nope. So we're going to leave them, and it's just going to be in the background. So that's another thing to think about. If you get the cheap paper, good luck moving it. See, I didn't want to cover the whole flower. That was the thing. So if I would have moved them over, then they would have been sticking underneath. I could like start this whole thing over and print another page. Should we just see in S, P, I think I'm going to have to put it all the way up here. It's not what I wanted to do. So who knows? Maybe this video is going to get remade. Okay, let's just keep going, see what happens. I probably should put the last letter down here, and that would show me how much room I have to space this out. This one's hard, really hard to get off. There we go. So I need an R. Ooh, I don't even know if this is going to fit. Let's see what happens. I wonder if I overlapped them when I was initially thinking about it. I don't want to cover notes either. So see, I should have moved that over that way a little bit. It's P-R-I. Let's put the R. Yeah, there might be enough room. Yeah, I think so. Just kind of put the R. Or maybe we'll do the R more this way. It's really covering my flower. You can't even see the big flowers at all. Good thing I have more. Oh, look at, I have plenty of space. Oh boy. Well, we can stick another big flower here, maybe. Hopefully we'll get this one back up. Kind of, sort of. Which way do I want to stick this one here? I don't really want it the same, do I? I don't know which way to stick this. Like that. And just kind of put the eye right here. Yeah, it's my design. It could be how I want. However it goes, it is. That's how I'm feeling today. It's like, psh, whatever. Just gotta get it decorated so that I can write your plans in. What that one would be. Where do we want this one? Up here. But I need to get something on that side too, because I need to balance it off a little bit. Actually, it looks okay for it being kind of goofy. Here, yeah, I'm thinking here. Let's see, we have these left. Where's another big space? Put another one on that side? Not really. Could put it right there, maybe. And then I have a few small ones. I mean, I do have a whole other sheet to use too. You can almost like draw these on here and color them in too. Kind of different. I think that I'm going to use one of these down here. I could actually have this one piece of washi tape, which didn't really make sense why I did that, but well, here, if we put this on here to cover notes up, and then maybe just put this behind it. Pretend it's behind it. What about a cutter? Take everything out of here. There it is. Cut this off here. Actually, let's use this somewhere else, maybe. It's not a very straight cut, but I throw these tools down and that noise is just like, woo. All right, where can we stick this one? Can't really see that P, can you? I'll just put it up here. after May. It's already May. Do it like that. I could cut it into a flag. Do that. There's no way to set the tools down. Be quiet. I don't know if I cut it deep enough. I didn't. Yeah, I did. Never mind. I did. Okay. Let's cut these ends off here. Oh, that's looking pretty good. And I can write notes there. If I had a pen, I would write notes there. I have markers. What kind of colors? Do we have anything that kind of goes with it? Don't know what that is. And oh, I do have a black pen. Let's use a black. Makes more sense. We'll write notes. Okay. Small ones of these. We could double them up somewhere. Oh yeah, I was thinking of putting it on here. There. That's why I had done that one. Okay, so we used one sheet, and I want to put this one up here somehow. Maybe like so. Okay, and then I have a few of these boxes, only 3. So where do we want to put these? Just spread them out a little bit. Put one up on Monday. And then one on Saturday. And what, on Thursday or Wednesday? Maybe I'll do Wednesday. Oh, UPS is here. Sully might bark. Okay, and then I have some of these other small that I could use as bullet points actually. So we could go like, oops, I'm doing it again. Yeah, see, he's barking. So how many do I have? I have that one, so I should put these 2 over here on this side. Maybe Fridays. And then 4 other ones. So this little, why would he ring my doorbell? Can't just leave it on the porch. Let's go. Okay, I don't know if I like that one there, but that's where I put it, so that's where it's staying. And then put this down here for like another point. Should I put it there? Should I put it on here? Let's just put it there. And then we've got this one. We're just gonna randomly stick that one up there. And let me see. It's not like I can take it off though, right? Got 2 more left, so I could put one up here by the year, and then one more. Where do we want to put this other one so that we can say we used 2 sheets? Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'll cover that little thing up. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like punched. Sometimes that helps. Trim all those off. Cut this. Let me get the sticker off here. I don't have my Okay, so that's like that. And then if we get the punch out here, put these two together, punch them. Oops. Come on, go in there. Ooh. Is this upside down? I think it's upside down. Look, I can't get it apart. There we go. I guess it's not upside down. Let's see how it looks in here. Again, more noise. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm just sticking these in front right now because... Oh, yeah, you didn't notice. I put the green discs on here from the... Oh, no! I punched it upside... Oh, no, I didn't. I thought I punched it upside down. Holy cow. I think I need to go take a nap or something. Anyway, I put the green metal disc on here from the Be Happy box. Looks pretty good, I'd say. And then this actually looks pretty good. You can't read that it says spring, but we know that it says spring. I could have done it a little differently, but I don't know. I think for a little quick effort and some trial and error with some new sticker paper, it turned out pretty good. What do you think? How do you like to get creative in your Skinny Classic? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.